joy. And
So you say you know they sleep.
I'm telling you.
You know they sleep.
I know they sleep. You they sleep.
Why me? I know they sleep now. I know they sleep. Serious.
Wetin go make me sleep? Where annoyance play? No, if you wake up, you go be like say the world don't come to an end.
Go be like
the world don't come to an end.
The world come to an end.
The world don't come to an end.
Because of my money wey trap for MMM.
My brother, I no feel happy. I no go lie for you.
Who happy? Nobody happy.
You no be another person.
Nobody happy. Okay,
my house rent don't do now. 2 of my children they go school before. That is day school before. Another one won't start this term. And this is this is first time. There's a lot of expenses to be done. Now, changing of paying for house rent, changing of school uniform, changing of school bags, buying new textbooks, exercise book, and a lot more. We're not talking about feeding facts.
Wait, make a call ask you now.
Brother.
You now, me what do for four people now I won't buy textbook. Now I won't buy school sandal, change uniform. Do.
I forgot sandal sef.
You forget sandal.
My brother, for this bad economy wey be say something wey dey sell 15 naira before now 150 naira. If you buy sandals 500 naira before now, you go hold 1.5 for hand. If you want for one person, multiply them to people.
But make I ask you, is MMM really helping or killing?
No, MMM is the best of all platforms. But what I'm saying is I'm not talking against MMM. You understand? They should have done something that will make people to at least, even though not small, at least go see hope. Say, well, this was now become like say the world has come to an end. You understand? So MMM is good, and we know that what they are doing is something that will make the platform last forever. You understand?
Me, I don't talk say until I log into MMM site. You know, open again. That is when I will stop MMM. But in as much as they log in, they open MMM for life.
Log in with happiness. You understand?
See, let me tell you,
happiness.
Now, so
that is where it is meaningful. But when you are logging in, you see, there's no hope for logging in. What are you logging in for?
Hope will surely come. Hope will restore very soon. Hope will restore. Let's just keep the faith and keep the faith. If to say you see small money now, like let's say 10,000 or 20,000, just leave one for 30 days. You no go feel them. You no go feel say you broke again, because that 20,000 naira now we turn to 40,000 in 30 days.
I know now.
And when you the GH,
I'm a fully MMM
participant. And when you the GH, that your weekly GH, at least the little way you get, go they take and they sustain. You go no say your 20,000 still remain. Where you go take PH back.
All these things I'm saying now, is not only because of myself, because me. And one thing, you remember how you are the one that introduced me to MMM, and you know how long it took me before I agreed to register. So what I'm trying to say is that before I can decide, before I can decide on anything, more especially anything like that, I go down decide and say no going back if I don't start that. That is me. Understand? So what I'm saying is not because of me. I don't start. No more going back. But only me and you cannot. Only 2 of us is not MMM. MMM is still need people. We need people massively. You understand? So, but with what is happening now, nobody is happy.
Well, let's hope for the best. I believe very soon everything will come back to normal. So that's just it. Any small money. I mean, if I see small money, if I see 2,000, if I see 1,000, if I see 3,000, I just the PH.
No amount is too small.
So just keep my account active.
But you know, say when you self don't they feel like big man. You are attracting to yourself a lot of responsibility.
Exactly.
Something like this can't happen.
Okay, see me now.
See me now.
I PH 1 million naira. You can't say make I sleep.
Where you go? The hope say so money. You are promising people that are owing, promising them that so time. Give them so amount of money. You are owing them.
A lot of things when I want to where don't do this thing.
Brother, let me go, Jare.
Okay. Let me to go prepare for church. I go pray. You two go pray, go church, go pray, make them release am.
Why no dey put this thing for prayer?
Make we dey pray, make they release am.
What about this South Africa? They say they don't finish their own.
South Africa is working fine now. Nothing.
No, they say
they don't finish. You know, say we.
Well, they
That's
say
why.
that
That's why I say now we cause our own when it be like that. South Africa people no panic. They no cancel PH order. They no fear as we fear. As they finish the updating, the thing they go normal as they go.
Yes.
But now we can't fear when they cancel. When we say when they can't refinish, they won't come match. Everybody don't cancel in PH. No PH to match.
This country time you. The way we don't understand things.
See US. See China.
Imagine.
See, it's going on now.
India.
India.
We're talking about Ghana. Ghana be.
Yes, it's going fine.
In Nigeria here.
It's going fine, but why we carry our own mentality, scatter everything? You can't blame MMM. Is it MMM to be blamed, or maybe we blame ourselves?
The problem I see is that, as they said, spare money. Is if MMM people that are using spare money there is not even up to.
My
not
brother,
up to
my brother, nobody they use spare money.
So that's where the problem
all of
is
us now our life savings now we pack put there. Forget spare money. If na spare money we dey use, as the thing break now, everybody people go don PH again. Everybody go don PH, but there is nothing like spare money.
But
show me where I put 1 million as spare money.
And another place where this problem now, we must understand to make it still be moving is that we're supposed to know that MMM is me and you. We don't have central.
Some people no know say MMM na me and you. Some people believe say MMM na my get central account.
As they don't do this
100%
now.
They believe say MMM get central account, say they go there go carry money.
Even as they don't do this 100% now, if make everybody now continue, that is without looking back, continue the PH.
That's just it.
Since it is me and you, because they know say where the last say as they don't do this thing like this now, that like that June July now. For me, I will not PH again. This is that. You are doing yourself. You are not doing anybody.
You are not doing anybody. Now wicked, you the wicked yourself.
If you are lasting, your money there is still lasting for you there.
Without
you touching it.
But let's be realistic. As we dey think am, good like we dey think am. Some people no even see money to PH. Some no get shishi again.
It's true.
So you know.
It's true.
So that kind of people now we no fit blame them.
It's true.
But at the same time, if you can't think like that, some people no get money to PH. If now your personal business get problem, you no go find money by all means take revive am.
Why not?
So some people no gree do anything again. They can't hope for June, July. I dey ask that question, say if it's your personal business that has fault, like MMM, won't you revive it? Won't you look for another alternative to bring it back to life? Will you rely, say, because your business get fault and maybe one thing, you can't sit down?
More especially business that is yielding
money. You may now sit and say,
if MMM is business, no business like MMM. If it is business,
no, there is no business. I'm telling you.
No, I'm just telling you. But
there is no business.
There's no business like MMM. True. Because for a little while that I've been there till now.
My brother, make I no lie you. I don't take MMM money build house.
Oh, not the thing. Understand?
Yeah, I show you my house.